Most buyers don't realize this, but some condos don't allow open houses, and that actually tells you something important. So we created a private virtual walkthrough of one of the best value units here in Island Club in Pompano Beach, and what you need to know before buying. Welcome to Island Club. True to its name, this community is surrounded by water and offers 24-hour gated security. Every guest must register, which adds a level of privacy and control that many buyers are looking for today. This is Building K, also known as Key Lime. It's a 3-story building, and as you can see, it's in great shape. The concrete work has already been completed, the building has been freshly painted, and it's located in Phase 4. There's an elevator conveniently located near your assigned parking space. So you're just steps from the pool, and notice all the yellow spots, those are guest spots. And there's plenty of them. That's your parking spot right there. And you're right across from the pool area, which you can see from your unit. Your mailbox is under cover, so you don't have to get wet. And again, all those yellow spots, those are all guests. This is the only unit currently for sale that has this long open water view from both the exterior walkway and inside the unit. That matters most than buyers realize. As you approach the unit, you'll notice the open catwalk design, which allows for better airflow and avoids that closed-in hallway feeling. This is Unit 304, and as we walk in, you're immediately greeted with natural light and a direct view of the water. There's that pool again. This front area can be used as a dining space or a sitting area, depending on how you live. The kitchen is open with wood cabinetry, and you can enjoy this view from the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and the front door. The kitchen is open, and the stainless steel appliances are brand new, all in excellent condition. There's plenty of storage, including a pantry. The island has cabinets. And when you're at the sink, this is the view that you will be enjoying. The flooring is continuous throughout the entire unit in a neutral tone. This area has a light and a fan fixture. And you have 2 doors in the front. That glass one is great for winter when you can let the breeze come all the way through. And here's the pantry. Right next to it is the air conditioning and also a tankless water heater. So you get more storage space. Now let's move into the living area. There's enough space here for a comfortable living setup plus additional dining if you prefer, or some stools at the breakfast bar. And take a look at the floor. It goes all the way through the kitchen, the entry, the bedrooms. Notice the ceiling fan with a light and the balcony. Floor to ceiling sliders, screened in, tile flooring, and that amazing view. Lots of room for your furniture. And that tranquil water view. This is what separates this unit from all the rest. Now let me shift for a moment because the unit is one thing, but in today's market, the building matters just as much. And this is where we're seeing a lot of condo deals fall apart. Buyers go under contract and then they find out there are issues with reserves, financing, and that becomes a real problem. Unexpected costs that weren't cleared up front. What's important here is that this building has already completed its 40 and 50-year inspections and repairs. There are no current assessments and financing is available, which is a big deal in today's condo market. Now this bathroom has tile floors, stone countertop, and a walk-in shower. Super clean. I really like the custom framing in the mirror. There's additional storage in that linen closet in the hallway. The second bedroom is bright with a large window, ceiling fan, plenty of closet space. It's a comfortable size for guests or an office. The owner has also left some additional floor planks in case you need them. You can see the pool from this bedroom. There are the blinds and also curtains for window treatments in this bedroom. Now, as we move towards the primary suite, notice that the front door does not face the living areas. Now this bathroom is larger. It has a larger vanity, also with stone countertop, framed mirror, and here you have a tub, tile floors. So you have your choice of the tub or a walk-in shower, which is nice if you want to have options. Now, right next to it is a beautifully designed custom closet with built-in drawers, dedicated space for hanging clothes, storing shoes, and it's very functional. It makes great use of this space. It even has some built-in hampers for your laundry. I love this mirror in the closet. And I'd hang my evening gowns right here. It's really a beautiful closet. And you see the flooring remains constant all throughout. Now this is a very generous size room. You can comfortably fit a king-size bed with large nightstands with no problem. And you have these 3 large windows overlooking that beautiful waterway. That's a feature buyers consistently look for, and very few units at this price point have it. That neutral flooring can accommodate cool tones or warm tones. You have a ceiling fan. And we can't get enough of that water view. As you walk through the community, you'll also notice multiple areas where you can relax, enjoy the landscaping, and take in the water views and boating activities around the island. There are picnic tables all throughout the community. Location is another major advantage here. You're just minutes from the beach.